Let's talk about the best organizer series for E.D.C. Welcome to E.D.C Ideas, and let's start with 6 MAXPEDITION pouches from the Pocket Organizer family. This video will help you to find the right organizer for your own E.D.C kit. But before we start, I have to mention that the organizers are available in different colors and the items inside are only an example from my own E.D.C collection. We will start with the micro version, the mini version, then we will talk about the E.D.C version, the fatty, the skinny and the beefy. The micro is the smallest version. It's an excellent choice when it comes to a small, lightweight and compact E.D.C kit. This is one of my own E.D.C kits in the micro version with a pen. This one is a little Exotech fire starter. I have a power bank, it's an Anker version, the Victorinox compact, a charging cable and a Ballistol oil towel. What I really like about this kit is that you can carry a full-sized pen, and if you need bigger tools compared to the Victorinox, you can also add, for example, a model from the Knipex Cobra series. This one is a 125mm version. For quick access, I also carry a flashlight on the outside. I think the MAXPEDITION Micro is always a great choice, especially for beginners and E.D.C enthusiasts who want to carry a small, lightweight and compact kit. Let's talk about the MAXPEDITION Mini Pocket Organizer. This one is one of my most carried organizer over the last years, and you see it, the condition is still perfect after years and years in my backpack and in my pockets. For a size comparison, you see the micro on the right and the mini on the left. Let's check out the inside. And you see it here, you have different compartments here and different loops to organize and carry your gear. This organizer allows you to carry a larger flashlight. This one is the PD36R in the Pro version from Phoenix, and we also have tools from Vera and Knipex. And I have to mention that I have 3 different mini organizers. This one is the organizer for my E.D.C tools. I also have a mini organizer for my bushcraft and survival kit, and I use one of the mini organizers for my emergency and first aid kit. Let's talk about a bigger model. You see on the left the E.D.C Pocket Organizer, and as a size comparison, this one is the mini. When you are looking for a more heavy-duty setup for E.D.C, the E.D.C version of the Pocket Organizer family is a great choice. I love to carry, for example, a Victorinox Swiss tool, also a larger flashlight from Phoenix, and I love the overview with all the different compartments and the different rubber loops to organize the equipment. In this organizer, it's easy to carry, for example, a larger notebook in a compartment here, always useful in combination with a pen. This organizer is an excellent choice when you want to carry larger tools, like this fork and spoon combination from Light My Fire. Let's talk about the next member of the MAXPEDITION Organizer family. This one is the MAXPEDITION Fatty. When you want to carry thicker or more heavy-duty tools, the Fatty is the better choice compared to the slimmer E.D.C version. Some tools I like to carry in my toolkits, and that's the use case for me when it comes to the MAXPEDITION Fatty, are the larger models of the Knipex Cobra series, or for example the Vera toolcheck. The Vera toolcheck fits perfectly into this compartment here. Let's talk about 2 cool features of this organizer. You have this slot in the middle here to store, for example, a larger tool, and I really like the zipper compartment here. When it comes to high quality toolkits, the MAXPEDITION Fatty is my first choice. The next organizer in our selection is the MAXPEDITION Skinny. I have to do an own review about this organizer because I think it's one of the most underrated organizers ever, especially when you want to carry, for example, a full-sized bushcraft knife. The Skinny is also a great choice when you want to carry longer tools like this Hulterforce pry bar. All in all, a really cool pouch, especially for longer tools. You have a compartment here, you have the zipper compartment here, and different slots for your tools. One of the use cases next to the E.D.C use cases is definitely the first aid section, when you want to carry, for example, a tourniquet. Last but not least, we have to talk about the MAXPEDITION Beefy. I think the MAXPEDITION Beefy, with all the different compartments here and the slots to organize the equipment, is the perfect choice when you are looking for a bigger kit with high quality and larger tools. You can carry, for example, this very popular outdoor saw. This is the Barco Laplander, and you can also carry, for example, full-sized screwdrivers. I really like the option to carry tools in this direction and in this direction, like the Knipex pliers you see here. When you are looking for a toolkit for full-size tools like water pump pliers or, for example, full-sized screwdrivers, the MAXPEDITION Beefy is the right choice. As I mentioned before, when you are looking for E.D.C functionality in combination with quality, the MAXPEDITION organizers are the best choice for E.D.C.